Coming up on Kylee Makes It.
We make the best kind of art. Art with sprinkles and flavors and snow cones and friendship.
It's me, Kylie, and it is very hot out here today, but I just had to show you this amazing swing set I just found. Looks beautiful and colorful, right? That's not even the best part. When you swing on it, well, just watch. It makes music! Woo! Woof. This is really cool, but I am so hot. Oh, I didn't bring any water or anything. Oh. It may be a mirage, but I think I see a frozen treat truck. That would taste so good right now. Let's see if we can make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Is it real? I'm coming. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Oh, I'm here. Hi.
Hi.
Is this an ice cream and snow cone truck?
Yes.
Oh
yes,
my
it is.
Goodness. It is very hot out here.
It is so hot. You've come to the right place.
Thank you so much. My name's Kylie.
Hi, I'm Lacey. I'm the Lou of the Moo and Lou on the truck.
Lou, you're the Lou. Lacey, it's so good to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
What a fun job you have.
It's a blast.
Oh
I'm not gonna lie.
It looks so cool in there.
It's very cool.
I wish I could get a tour sometime of something like this.
Well, you're welcome to come in right now.
Are you kidding me?
No, come on in.
Lacey's the best. Okay, come on. So exciting. Hi!
Come on in.
Come on. Whoa. I've never been on this side before.
So we have our snow cone machine here.
This is where it comes from?
Yeah, so ice gets poured into the top up here. And then we actually have a little, once we fill it with ice, we have to close it or else ice will go everywhere.
That would be wild.
And then we have a foot pedal that we step on.
Oh.
And you have to hold the cup here and then ice will, yeah, that's how you make your snow cone.
Okay, cool.
We have 2 freezers that hold ice cream because we have several flavors.
What's your favorite flavor?
My favorite would probably be cookie dough, of course.
What's your favorite? Sounds delicious. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This looks so fun. I see some of my favorite things over here.
Yes.
What do you use these for?
You have to have toppings on your ice cream,
I mean, you
know.
have to. It's a must.
So normally we have, you know, all the chocolate sauce, caramel sauce, whipped cream and all that. And we also, of course, have sprinkles, gummy worms, and bears.
What's more popular, gummy worms or gummy bears?
Gummy worms.
Gummy worms.
Gummy worms are more popular, yes.
Cool. Oh, and here's all the scoops.
Yes.
Why are they in water?
So after you scoop your ice cream, you have to put it back in water to rinse it off, or else it'll all get stuck to the spoon and
It'll be in every flavor ice cream.
Every flavor, yes.
Is it cold in here?
Very cold. It's below freezing.
Can I feel it?
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead and slide it open.
Oh, wow. Yep, cold. Do you think we could make a sundae together?
For sure. Let's do it.
Awesome. Let's do it.
Just in a cup here.
Yeah,
do it in a cup.
I love a good cup.
What flavor do we want to use?
Okay, friend, come help me pick. Okay, we got chocolate, cookie dough, cookies and cream, or vanilla. Vanilla. I'm gonna choose vanilla.
Okay. That's probably it's one of our most popular, like, sundae flavors.
Yeah, you get the flavors of the toppings
Yes.
to pop on that vanilla. It's like a white canvas.
Nice.
Oh, you have to be kind of strong for this job.
You do.
That
All
looks
right.
so good.
There's a scoop of ice cream. What do we want to put on it?
Okay, well, I mean, you're the artist. So...
Well, I think sprinkles are fun, of
lots
course.
of colors, very delicious.
Yes.
Little crunch.
Little crunch, some sprinkles. Do we want anything else on it? Do we want
I would like maybe one gummy worm.
gummy worm? Of course.
Yeah.
Right.
Mhm. Oh, is that marshmallow? Do I see marshmallow?
That is marshmallow.
Maybe a little marshmallow.
Marshmallow for sure. All right. So many sprinkles.
That's beautiful.
All right. Anything else?
Oh, one gummy worm.
Oh, that's right. Gummy worm. And gummy worm.
Oh, I love it. Green and red.
So fun.
So fun. I wish I could give some to you. Here, you can pretend. Ready? Ow. You're an artist. It's beautiful and so delicious. Could you show us how to make a snow cone?
Yes, definitely.
What a good day!
We've got our ice. Throw that in the top. We ready?
Yeah.
It's kind of loud.
Okay, I'm ready. Whoa! It's like a mold.
Yeah.
You are very good at that.
You want to try?
Yeah, I do. I'm a little scared, but we can do this. We got this.
Yes. You got this.
This reminds me of a pottery wheel or a sewing machine.
Yeah. It's just a little button. You just kind of gently tap it with your foot.
Right. Ready? 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 Yes. Go. Ready. Now.
Yep.
More?
Put a little more.
This is hard.
You take your cup and you try to go straight up into that dome.
There's a reason you're the professional. Okay.
It's a little harder than it looks, right?
Yeah. I like it. It looks like maybe a fish.
It is. Yeah, it does look like a fish.
Thank you.
I
Thank you.
like it.
Thank you for saying that.
I can see it. A shark? Fish? Yeah. Should we go put some flavor on it?
Yes, that sounds like the best part.
Okay.
Whoa, this looks amazing. Whoa, are these all different colors and flavors?
Yeah.
What's your favorite kind of snow cone to make?
So, of course, I love to make the rainbow. You gotta make sure you put enough on there because you want some at the bottom too. So see, I've kind of got a rainbow going on.
That is
Got
so
blue,
cool.
green, yellow, orange, and red.
I love how they mixed.
Yeah.
What color do you want to be? I'm gonna start with a little bit of grape, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Pull this up. Ooh. Purple tail. Cotton candy blue. Coming up. so pretty how it blends in. And then I'm gonna end with zombie virus. Ooh, pretty. Okay, I like a lot of kinds of art, but this might be my new favorite. Okay, I'm gonna taste this tail.
We normally have baby wipes in the window, so when kids get extra sticky, we
Kids or adults. Delicious. Lacey, you might be one of the artists who makes the most delicious art I have ever met.
Thank you.
It is so beautiful and so refreshing. Moo and Lou, frozen treats and more, 10 out of 10, recommend.
Thank you so much.
I love how you've decorated your truck.
Oh, thank you.
It is so cool. Tell me a little bit about this design.
I'm the Lou, and this is Maddie Moo, my sister. My mom wanted us on the side of it, but we also wanted to have like a bright, colorful, and happy look, something that catches your eye and brings joy whenever you look at it. So we want to take that everywhere we go. We like to spread smiles and...
I love that. I love art that makes people happy and increases love and joy and beauty and refreshment. So do we. In the world. That's so awesome. Thank you so much for giving us a tour and making us these delicious treats.
Well, thank you for coming. Yes.
If you want to watch more videos with me, just search for Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me.
I mean, yeah, you're dressed like him. You're black and yellow.
Look, we're dressed the same. And we both like snow cones.
Kylee makes it.